Hi, my name is Andy Watkins, and I'm a postdoc in Rhiju lab at Stanford and one of the main developers of RiboDraw. Today I want to show you how to use RiboDraw using the tutorial that we've included in the GitHub repository. Once you have downloaded RiboDraw, you need to add it to your MATLAB environment. You do this by adding it to the MATLAB path, which is where MATLAB looks to try to find scripts that define the functions that you are trying to call. Click Add with Subfolders, and then your RiboDraw scripts directory, and save the resulting path. We begin with a 3D structure file as well as some metadata describing the RNA that we want to model, the P4-P6 domain of the tetrahymena ribozyme. We use the command initializeDrawing to create a figure that contains all the essential information, but with a very cluttered default layout. We hide extraneous information like non-canonical pairs and show the helix controls in order to rearrange helices into a good orientation. You can click and drag helices to move them around, click the dot in the center to rotate, or click the line at the ends to flip them. You can also drag individual nucleotides around. Just by dragging, rotating, and flipping helices, I was able to achieve this arrangement in only a few minutes. At any moment, we can save our progress as a MATLAB file, which is based on the HDF5 format, and load it back in. All of our drawing features are preserved. For further refinement, let's show the controls that allow us to manipulate the angles and positions of the linkers that connect the RNA backbone where there are gaps. We should also show non-canonical base pairing interactions once more. Although these linkers run in a straight line by default, you can just click and drag these little control points in order to define a fixed path. At this point, you have all the skills you need to refine your drawing to something that's publication ready. There are some more commands discussed in the online tutorial, and there is also online documentation of some specialized commands. For example, how to color your drawing according to chemical mapping data. I hope this helps you create beautiful renderings of RNA secondary structures.